Mabuhay mga kabonding all over the world! Wish nyo bang maging mas close sa inyong loved ones sa Pinas at sa inyong relatives around the globe? Pues, join na kayo sa ating bonggang-bonggang Multiply site. Be connected with over 1,000 global kabonding members and get the chance to send requests and special greetings via our Multiply. Anong malay nyo? Kayo na pala ang next kabonding star sa TFC Connect. All you have to do is log on to www.connectkabonding.multiply.com and join our group. So mga kabonding, what are you waiting for? Join na kayo! Be updated, get connected, and stay connected dahil talagang pinaliliit natin ang mundo. Always remember, close tayo sa TFC Connect.